balikan man ang hirap luhat lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huling palagi. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man.
Cause your love is where it's at. Oh,
I'm gonna be the love that's gonna last, and be the one that got your back. Ain't nothing
Pakita ng isang katulad mo ay di na dapat pang pakawalan. Pangako kong pag naging tayo ay araw-araw kitang liligaw.
Gonna change my life for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than you.
As long as you love me. All the loneliness has always been a friend of mine. I'm leaving my life in your hands. People say I'm crazy and that I am blind, risking it all in a glance. And how you got me blind is still a mystery. I can't get you out of my head. Don't care what is written in your history, as long as you're here with me. I don't care who you are, where you're from, what you did, as long as you love me.
why do you feel like night today? Something in the air's not right today. Why am I so uptight today? Paranoid's all I got left. I don't know what stressed me first, or how the pressure was fed, but I know just what it feels like.
I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is gone.
Everybody needs a little time away, I heard her say, from each other. Even lovers need a holiday, far away from each other.
This overthinking, the more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar.
baby, you gon' find yourself
Standing in the Hall of Fame.
One more and more.
Sino man para sa'kin di ko sasayangin. Madayang tadhana iyong pansinin. Wala na bang karapatan na pagbigyan ang hiling? Sino man para
I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm this lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust me when I say,
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true. Because a girl like you is impossible to find. You're impossible to find.
Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven.
Y'all ready for this?
In this feeling, I am sinking in this silence. Sometimes I feel like throwing my hands up in the air, hands up in the air.
Hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air.
This is the rhythm of the night. The night.
Do you
Bumping up in the club. Pour another shot. Show me some love. I wanna get the party going. Party with some models. Fast cars, superstars. Leave it
Make it pop, DJ, blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No, oh, 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 oh. Don't stop, make it pop, DJ, blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No, oh, 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 oh.
kahit na alam mo na masungit ako, nandyan ka pa rin. Ayan, mahal na mahal kita, mahal. Ayan, lagi mong tatandaan yan. May isa akong salita, sana habaan mo pa yung pasensya mo sa akin. Ayan, and mag-ingat ka lagi sa trabaho mo. Gusto lang ako para sa'yo. Ayan, again, happy first monthsary sa atin mahal. Ayan, I love you so much.
Ayan. Happy first monthsary po sa aking mahal. Mahal. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pinakikita mo sa akin pagmamahal at talagang pinaparamdam mo sa akin yung pagmamahal mo. Sana patuloy mo lang yan. Kahit na minsan ay nag-aaway tayo, hindi tayo magkaunawaan, hindi tayo magkaintindihan, ay nandiyan ka pa rin, ay palagi mo akong kinakausap kahit na sinusuyo kita. Ayan, sana po magtagal tayo. Magkatagal yung BR po ni Mami, ay sana ganun din tayo. Hayaan mo mahal, kahit na malayo ka man sa akin, titisin ko o hihintayin ko kung kailan kita makakasama. Hindi ko po pangako sa iyo yan, gagawin ko yan. Ayan. Sa sobrang pinapakita mo sa pagmamahal, ay talagang yung pagmamahal ko sa iyo siguro sobra na. Diba? Siguro ramdam mo naman siguro yung pagmamahal ko. Isa ka na sa parte ng buhay ko. Mahal na mahal po kita, mahal. Sana hindi ka magbago sa akin. Kahit na minsan hindi tayo masyado nag-uusap, nandiyan ka palagi. Kaya happy first monthsary po, mahal. Ingat ka po, mahal na mahal po kita.
Ayan, good morning everyone. Ayan, itong araw na ito ay special para sa aming mag-jowa. Ayan mahal, happy first monthsary sa ating dalawa. Stay strong lang tayo, mag-aaway man tayo pero hindi tayo maghiwalay. Mahal, ito lang masasabi ko sa iyo. Thank you kasi kahit na may toyo ako, may topak, nandiyan ka pa rin palagi. Sorry kung minsan maldita ako. Ayun, minsan tinutopak pero naiintindihan mo ako. Sana mahal, habaan mo pa yung pasensya mo. Ayun, sana huwag kang magbago. I love you so much mahal. Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Alam mo yan. Thank you din sa mga effort mo, lalo na pag natutulog na ako. Nandyan ka, binabantayan mo ko. Hindi mo pinapatay yung call hanggat hindi ako nagigising. Ayan, thank you mahal. I love you so much. Ayan. Happy first monthsary sa atin. Sana mahal, ingatan mo rin ang iyong sarili. Huwag puro inom kasi minsan nagsisend ka sa akin ng mga picture, naiinis na ako. Alam mo ba yon? Pero kahit naiinis man ako, sinasantabi ko lang yun para iwas sa pag-aaway natin.
Ayan, happy first monthsary po sa aking jowa na si Mahal. Mahal, happy first monthsary po sa iyo. Sana po mag-ingat ka palagi at sana huwag mong pababayaan sarili mo. Kumain ka ng maayos. Mahal, maraming salamat at talagang pinaparandam mo sa akin yung pagmamahal mo. Sana maramdaman mo rin yung pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Na kahit na minsan may saltik ka, may tuyo ka, may topa ka, ayos lang. Diba? Wag lang tayo maghihiwalay. Kahit na mag-away tayo, pero hindi tayo maghihiwalay. Basta ito masasabi ko, mahal na mahal po kita. At hindi ko to papangako sa iyo, gagawin ko to. Titiisin ko to at pagtsatsagaan ko to kung kailan tayo magkasama. Basta mamahalin kita ng sobra. Basta ingat ka palagi mahal, ha?